Lexus revealed its smallest crossover SUV, the LBX, just last year. The Lexus Breakthrough Crossover marks the brand's first model designed specifically for the European market. It utilizes Toyota's TNGA-B platform, the same platform found in the European-spec Yaris Cross SUV. The LBX is set to hit the European market first. In terms of its exterior design, the Spindle Grille design continues to adorn the front of the new Lexus LBX, showcasing a sleek matte black honeycomb pattern. Complemented by compact, sporty headlights, it seamlessly blends with the concise front hood. The 2024 LBX's side features a minimalist design enhanced by the addition of black wheel arch edges that contribute to its adventurous style. The black wheel options range from 17 to 18 inches, varying with each submodel accompanied by black bump guards on the doors. The A to C pillars are adorned with glossy black shades, creating a harmonious contrast with the black roof. At the rear, the LBX boasts a stylish array of taillights that span the entire width, complemented by an eye-shaped air vent. The design is finalized with a concealed exhaust pipe setup. The Lexus LBX measures 4,190 millimeters in length. That's 1,825 millimeters in width and 1,545 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 2,580 millimeters. It is slightly larger than the European version of the Toyota Yaris Cross, but smaller and shorter when compared to the Lexus UX. The Lexus showcases a sophisticated and technology-laden interior, distinguishing itself from its Toyota counterpart, with an inclined center console, ambient lighting, and luxurious upholstery choices such as a semi-aniline leather, ultra suede, and vegan-friendly materials. It exudes a premium feel. The cockpit is equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, and a 9.8-inch touchscreen for the Lexus Link Connect infotainment system. This system supports over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay, and wired Android Auto connectivity. Regarding the safety features, the 2024 Lexus LBX will come standard with the Lexus Safety System Plus. This comprehensive safety suite includes essential features such as a collision prevention system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a traffic sign reading system. Additionally, it incorporates a safe exit assist system, which collaborates with an e-latch electric door lock. Furthermore, the LBX is equipped with a remote parking system, allowing users to remotely order parking via smartphone. In addition to the option for sound system upgrades, the Lexus LBX comes with a Mark Levinson sound system featuring 13 speakers and a subwoofer. The rear storage space boasts a capacity of 332 liters. The hybrid system in the Lexus LBX combines a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine generating 91 horsepower and a peak torque of 120 Nm, with an electric motor producing 80 horsepower and a maximum torque of 141 Nm when the engine is active. Working in tandem, the electric motor and engine deliver a total power of 100 kilowatts or 136 horsepower and a peak torque of 185 Nm, transmitted through an eCVT automatic transmission. The model offers a choice between front-wheel drive and a four-wheel drive E4, achieving a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in just 9.2 seconds. It also comes with a 4.3 Ah lithium-ion battery. In the UK, the LBX will be offered with a choice of 6 trim levels: Urban Premium, Premium Plus, Premium Plus Design, Takumi, and Takumi Design, with a limited edition Original Edition also available for early buyers. The Lexus LBX offers a vibrant color palette, including a high-gloss sonic paint finish. The Emotion and Cool variants come in a two-tone exterior paint option, pairing any color with a contrasting black roof. Prices start from £29,995 in base spec Lexus LBX Urban variant, rising to £39,995 for the limited availability, range topping original edition trim. Thank you.